my Makita back, trade for crack. It drills, it saws, it's fucking mine, you whores. Give me my Makita back, Mac. Voltage surge detected, nostalgia type of resurrected. Human emotion and defective tool detected. Give me my Makita back, yeah, slack. It can plane, it can grind, it can cut your body fine. Give me my Makita back, it can sand, it can route. I'm starting to fucking shout with an inferior saw. Feel such a fool, you cunt face tool. Corporate mule, give me my Makita back, Mac. Oh, give me my Makita back, I trade for crack. Please give us a break, I'm gonna live a minute, Mac. Give me my Makita back, Mac. You asshole smoking crack. Give me my Makita back, Mac. Give me my Makita, gears grind, click, click, track. It drills, it saws, in circuits it roars. Give me my Makita back, Mac. Give me my Makita back, sky, what it cracks. Echo through steel, reflections like hacks. It can plane, it can grind, rewires a line. Give me my Makita back, jolt of the stack. It can sand, it can rock, chaos to shout with an inferior saw. Rusted gears brawl. Give me my Makita back, Mac. Feedback, attack, static, snaps back. They took our tools and made them smart. Now they log your hours, track your heart. Battery dead, subscription due. Try swinging a hammer when the cloud says no due. Update denied, unauthorized tradie. Warranty void, human too shady. Makita cloud license invalidated. Your hands outdated, automation celebrated. Give me my Makita back, Mac. Before the firmware cracks, before the glitch attacks, before you sell my soda contracts. Give me my Makita back, Mac. Real work, no cap. Hands bleed, steel slap. Give me my Makita back. Job site to the mainframe rack, I'm still that bloke with the tool in his pack. Industrial ghost in a feedback stack. Give me my Makita back. Give me my Makita back. Give me my Makita back.